Welcome back to my channel. Jill Stewart is launching in Malaysia. If you don't know anything about Jill Stewart, it's basically a collaboration between the Japanese company Couture and the American designer Jill Stewart. They came together, made an amazing makeup collection that looks so pretty. Just look at all the products, guys. Look. They're gorgeous. And I'm super excited because they're finally launching in Malaysia. I got my hands on some products and I wanted to do a full face using Jill Stewart makeup right here, right now. I have created a beautiful kind of warm, smoky eye, really natural and very much inspired by Japanese makeup, so I hope you guys are interested in this kind of makeup. I know I don't do it a lot on my channel, but I do really like the style. So yeah, if you would like to find out how to get this makeup look right here, super simple, super easy, super wearable, or if you just want to find out how the Jill Stewart beauty products performed and what they look like, because hello, then please keep on watching. Alright, let us dive right into it. I'm going to start off with this gorgeous palette right here. This is called the Ribbon Couture Eyes. It's a 5-color eyeshadow palette and it's got a really nice gradient of colors from dark to light. And today I'm going to be creating a warm, smoky eye with this look. These colors, I have to say, are just gorgeous. They are soft and blendable, and it's very kind of Japanese because Asian makeup in general is not very heavy. So basically that's gonna go all over the mobile lid, and I'm gonna take it only slightly above my crease, but not too far up. I'm gonna follow that up with the darker brown color in the palette, and that's gonna go into the outer corners of our eyes. Again, not too far above the crease. I'm also going to take it out in a slight wing at the outer corners, and then I'm just going to lightly blend the edges. I'm going to take that same color onto the lower lash line, and this is really important. On the outer corner, I want to make sure that the upper lash line and the lower lash line actually join together. Just like that. By the way, if you're admiring my gorgeous hand mirror, this is actually from Jill Stewart as well. All you gotta do is just spend about 280 ringgit, I think, and you get this for free at the Sephora KLCC counter. That is where they're debuting. Alright, that is pretty much all I want to do with the eyeshadow for now on the upper lash line. But on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back into that beautiful peachy shade that we used on the lids earlier, and that's gonna go underneath the eyes, right on the inner corners. Just like that. Now I'm also going to grab the highlight color and accentuate the inner corner a little bit, because underneath the eyes, if you have this little pouch right here, it's actually considered really attractive in Asian culture. They call it the silkworm. So a lot of people kind of fake it with makeup, and basically we use the highlighter to add a little bit of volume so it seems like we have a bit of a pouch. Onto eyeliner, you can grab any liquid eyeliner you have, and when it comes to Asian makeup, as I said, it's really beautiful and natural looking. So we're not going to be doing a massive wing, but we are going to be doing a small cute little wing on the outer edge, just like that. Onto mascara. I'm telling you, Jill Stewart just creates the most beautiful products. This is the Blooming Blossom Curl Lash Mascara. It looks so beautiful, and Japanese mascaras, you know they gotta be good. Oh yeah, it's good. It holds a curl really well. Now the lower lash line. Oh my gosh, this is amazing on the lower lash line. Look at that, it just catches every lash, and I have barely any lashes. Love! Oh, this is so good. This is for sure my new HG lower lash mascara. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna put on some falsies and then I will be right back. And those are the eyes completely done. Right now, I'm gonna be moving on to the cutest product I have ever seen. And this is the Jill Stewart Loose Blush. Is this not the cutest thing ever? So I'm gonna be doing more of a kawaii look since this is a Japanese product. So I'm gonna be keeping the blush pretty high on the cheeks as well as into the under eye area, and then a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I just want to give myself that really cutesy flushed look, you know what I mean? If you've seen Japanese magazines, you'd know what I mean. Okay, that should be enough. I'm gonna move on to the lips now. I have the most gorgeous lip product to show you. This is the Lip Blossom Velvet in the color 05. We're gonna give ourselves some beautiful, luscious lips right here. And look, it's even got this really cute mirror to help with your application. Oh, so cute. I love the fact they put so much effort into the packaging. So what I'm gonna do, I want to give myself really luscious, natural looking lips, or as natural as they can be with a bold color. I'm gonna put on the lips first, and then what I'm gonna do is blur out the edges just with my finger. It's gonna make it look a lot more undone and, you know. So the lip color is on, and now I'm gonna blur out the edges. I also want to make everything look more cohesive, so what I'm going to do is whatever is left over on my finger, I'm actually going to tap into the cheeks. Now we have put some powder over here, so it's going to make it a little bit more difficult to blend the cream, but it's not impossible. If you don't want to do it, that is totally fine, but if you want to give your whole look more of a, you know, cohesive, together kind of feel, then this is definitely a step that I would recommend. What I'm also going to do is take a little bit more, tap it off on the back of my hand, and add a tiny bit of it just kind of under the inner part of the brow. I don't know, I just feel like that ties everything together really well. And so this is my finished look, a Japanese-inspired makeup look using Jill Stewart beauty products. As always, if you have any questions about the look or the products that I used, you can leave them in the comments box below. I will get to them as soon as I can. I would be happy to help you out with any questions that you may have. If you want to try out the Jill Stewart products, as I mentioned before, they have launched in Malaysia already. They're at the Sephora KLCC counters. If you want the amazing mirror, that's a 280 ringgit minimum spend to get this for free. They're also giving away free compact mirrors for any purchase. If you want, you can also get yourself the Blooming Lip Velvet. This is an amazing, beautiful pigmented lipstick, and you can actually personalize your own lipstick on the weekends of the 13th and the 21st of September. Please do get it. I mean, look at this. Is it not the cutest thing ever? Plus with your name on it? Come on, Jill Stewart. So cute. And yeah, that is pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!